On this episode of Blue Sky Trawler, we finally start clearing out the Master Stateroom, trash a bunch of stuff, move a bunch of stuff, and give away some items. Plus, we watch a few thunderstorms roll through that really rock the boat.
Good evening. It is June 14th. We are back in what was the cutting room. We're going to be moving all this stuff out, and in that regard, making a shelf right here, and there's another one over there that we painted, but we're going to move these shelves down, which that compressor is going to end up sitting on one of the shelves and get it out of there. That compressor is going away, and then we're going to start cleaning out all this stuff because we're going to turn this into a bedroom over there, and then this area is going to get corded off into a little office space. That is what we are working on tonight. Later.
We brought the two shelves that we built last week that are going in over the gray water tank. So they're just going to drop in there so easily. It's going to be like butter. Looks good on camera.
Yeah.
You can hardly see the tilt.
Okay.
Oh, jeez. We're gonna get close to the draw. Okay, so we're moving this beast, hopefully, down into one of those shelves. But will it fit? It doesn't fit down the stairs, so we're going to open up that hatch and lower it down that way. So we just got a little bit done. Not a whole lot. We moved one compressor out, and well, actually two compressors out of here. One is right there. We're gonna let the refrigerator thaw out, and then we're gonna give that away. We took quite a few things back up to storage, so I don't know. It's hard to tell a difference. Here, you take that.
Good evening. It is June 15th, 2023, and we are up here. We're going to get this off the boat. We're hopefully going to get the air compressor down below, and I'm going to go figure out what tried to start and failed to start.
We're going to go down another rabbit hole.
That's right.
Okay.
We're good at rabbit holes.
All right.
Anyway.
I'm going to clean this refrigerator. Continuing to do some cleaning so that we can start building floor and office walls and closets and drawers and a bed in the master bedroom. So later.
Rigged the chain hoist on the beam up there, and then obviously hooked the air compressor to it and pulled it up, and now we're going to push out the floorboard here. I'm going to go down below, lift it, and then we'll slide it this way, and then we will lower it down.
And there it is, halfway to its destination.
Okay, so now the real fun. Have to get that onto that shelf in there.
Trouble is, we may have the height in here. We got other crap. We got about 16 there.
So the plan was to put this air compressor on our new shelf here in the storage room, but it's too tall.
Yeah, I didn't measure that. I measured width and depth, but this thing was pretty low, so I didn't think it was that tall.
Anyway, Bill's taking the hose hanger part of it all.
Yeah, trying to get it a little bit lower.
Yeah. Whether it will be low enough is yet to be seen.
Yeah.
And he got it in there. Woohoo! You're my hero. He took the wheels off. There's one wheel. There's the other wheel, and then this handle. So hopefully we can butt shot, honey.
This has a big freaking piece of PVC right in the way. And those stupid things. I don't know if we're going to be able to even get it to go in. I mean, once we get past these, we got lots of room, but... Okay, well, we got the compressor up in there. Now I just need to run lines, and we got the plasma cutter stored up in there. So slowly getting stuff, but that was a lot more work figuring out how to get them to fit than it was worth. Still got to clean up all of our mess we made, moving stuff around. Let's see, so that cleared out stuff nicely back here.
It doesn't look like we made much progress.
No, we moved that. Well, that area is cleared out, and the thing that was sitting right there, and of course all this area is cleared out. And the rain finally showed up. Thought it was going to miss us. Oh, we went and got the surprise thing for Sunday. Oh, we didn't get this off the boat, the refrigerator.
We got the compressor off and a bunch of other
Well,
things.
got the compressor moved. Oh, we got the other compressor. That's right. Other
Yeah.
compressor's up there. Okay.
It's
well,
just
are we
really
done?
hard to tell.
Yeah. Yeah. Well,
Okay.
everything's still a mess.
Alright, yes,
Anything else?
let's go. No.
Okay. Later.
Later.